Hi, Alan SoCal. I'm going to be reviewing the replacement HEPA filters for the S65 Simplicity brand stick vacuum. I originally reviewed this Simplicity stick vacuum. This is the controller power head here, the vacuum head. And I put an attachment in it. I'm sure if you own one of these, you're familiar. I have been using this particular vacuum primarily in my garage, outdoor, primarily for either cleaning up in the shop. I've got a workshop out there, or when I'm cleaning the car. And the purpose of the HEPA filter, in theory and somewhat in practice, is to filter out the small dust so it doesn't get blown through the vacuum trail in this vacuum head and then expelled into the area where you're using it or breathing that air. An understandable question is, these two filters that I'm reviewing and the ones that you might be purchasing, are they identical to the OEM or original equipment manufacturer's filter? And here's a filter that I received directly from the manufacturer, and I can tell you that on close inspection, this is from the manufacturer. This one here is the one that I'm reviewing and the one you might be purchasing, and they appear to be absolutely identical. And when I say identical, even the plastic looks as though it came from the very same mold. I just don't see any differences whatsoever. And I have to I have to look again because I'm trying to remember. I think this is the manufacturer. These are the two that I just received. So that's how identical they are. If I move them around, I might forget which is which. When you go to remove the filter from the Simplicity head, or whichever vacuum you have that accepts this HEPA filter, it's pretty simple. You just pull from the top. There are a couple of tabs on the filter holder, and so this is the filter holder, okay? And the filters, they turn and come right out. This is my old filter, and I might add, I clean my vacuum using compressed air. I do a really thorough cleaning every time I use it. I just recently received the factory filter, and then I saw these two available and brought them in for review. And again, all of these filters are identical. So I take the new filter, turn it, it's ready, and then take it, and there are a couple of tabs here. They're going to match what I would say is laterally, get this, across. The tabs run from one side to the other, so when you line it up, if you do it properly, it's just going to snap in. So it's pretty straight ahead. So when I was reviewing or getting ready to review these filters, number one, I wanted to make sure they were absolutely identical to the OEM filters, and as I've shown, they are. They're absolutely identical. So really, the other concern I had was cost per filter. It's not that I could find another twin pack, but I did find a 4-pack, a 6-pack, and a 7-pack. So based on current cost, the twin pack came out to about $7 per filter. If you get a 4-pack through Amazon, it's $6, so you save $1. If you get, let's see, a 4-pack is $6, a 6-pack is $4.95 and a 7-pack is $4.57. So it made me realize, since I haven't gone through a lot of HEPA filters lately, maybe it's not a bad idea to get the twin pack. So I think it's a worthwhile investment. It's not very much. And remember that a clean filter is going to make this a more efficient vacuum. And you won't be getting, presumably, as many of those small dust particles coming out of this vacuum system when you're cleaning, because of a clean and efficient HEPA filter.